In this lecture, we are going to learn how to format the background of the slide. Before formatting, let's clean our workspace, and to do that, select all by pressing Ctrl A and then press Delete key. Now we have a clean workspace, that is a pure white slide. Now we need to format our background. So go to Design, click Format Background button on the Customize section, then click Gradient Fill. In Preset Gradients, choose Linear Gradient Accent 3. So it's so simple, right? In this lecture, we have opened a plain PowerPoint presentation and then we deleted all the components to get a pure white slide, and we have come to Design, Format Background, and we choose Gradient Fill. In the next lecture, you will learn how to add video into this PowerPoint presentation.